back to our channel.
So where are you guys going today?
We're going to Cousin Trudy's house. I'm really scared! But brother's kind of scared.
What are you gonna do at Cousin Trudy's?
Life jackets to swim carefully to not sink. Well, we can dive underwater with jumping, but when you have floaties, you can't even jump in there. But when you take them off for a little bit, and then a grown-up helps you out after you're done.
Who's taking y'all to Cousin Trudy's house?
But a grown-up has to catch you when you jump down.
Yes, that's right.
Because it's very scary for little kids. Well, only with your 4 you can jump in the water with your eyes closed. Or if you have bigger goggles, you can only if you have a boat, an underwater boat. Yeah, or a submarine.
Yeah.
Submarines don't help you swim. You just control it. Well, that would be kind of boring. But you know what? That's not boring. You just can press buttons.
So who's taking y'all to Cousin Trudy's?
So Nana is, and we are just gonna listen.
Y'all gonna listen to all the adults there?
Well, what's all the adults? Oh, Cousin Manuel.
And Nana.
Let's have a boy and a girl. I don't know what their name is.
Marissa and Little Man.
Little Man?
Yeah.
That's a funny name, but Alexander's a better name.
His name is Manuel, but we call him Little Man because his daddy is Manuel. They're both Manuel.
2 Manuels?
Yeah, the daddy and the son. So we call the son Little Manuel. Little Man.
Okay. And you go to big guy, Big Man?
Yes, you can call him Big Man. What do y'all need to go swimming?
You need lotion that rubs like this.
Sunblock.
Well, it's sunblock to keep you burning from the sun.
That's right. And what else do you need?
A towel to dry what you're done. A life jacket.
That's
a
right.
life jacket helps you keep from swimming. And if you need a grown-up to help you, take it off to jump in the water. But a grown-up has to. You need to do this. But first you do, because you need to be trying to kind of
Hold your
brave.
breath. Yeah.
Be brave is only what you need to be brave to just help you keep it out for that.
Okay. And when it's time to go, what are y'all gonna do?
We're gonna put on our shoes and go.
Who's here? I think that's Nana. Let's go see. Watch the cord. Go.
That's our dropout rope. It's Nana! It's Nana!
I'll open it.
Nana! I heard her. She wasn't a stranger, but
I know.
strangers are here.
Hi! Are y'all ready for a road trip?
Yeah. Yes. I'm gonna go get my shoes. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
Bye.
Hi, Daddy. I'm gonna miss you.
Ready for a road trip? Woo!
Who's ready for a road trip? Y'all have fun, okay? Love you.
Don't rush to pick us.
I'm gonna go in my fast car.
What? Seriously, that's the loud car that's inside.
Nah, I'm joking.
Well, Mommy's going in a slow car.
Okay. We'll see y'all in a little bit. I love y'all.
I love you.
Bye.
Love you, bye.
Bye, Daddy. I'm swinging so fast.
All right, come back, come back.
You got it, so you got it.
Daddy, we can't go there. We'll sink.
You're gonna sink?
Yeah, only when another people is here.
You came straight from work?
Are you having fun?
Yes. Daddy, Nana. I'm just gonna catch me.
Yeah. She went inside.
Mama, catch me.
You went inside too, but
Daddy,
she
catch
went
me.
No.
Okay, get more back. You're great.
Daddy,
Oh, wow.
you're swimming in a Dallas Cowboys pool.
Oh, that means you're dirty.
No, Daddy.
That means you're dirty, but it's okay. We can take a bath and wash all that cowboy stuff off of you, right?
No, we're not made of cowboy stuff. Look.
Say now it's a Texan pool because we're in here, right?
No, it's a Texan pool.
That's what you gotta tell Manuel. You tell Manuel it's a Texan pool now.
Yeah, not a Dallas Cowboys.
Why? Why not the Dallas Cowboys?
It's right here.
Yeah.
Manuel's gonna make barbecue.
Who is?
Cousin Manuel's gonna make barbecue.
When? Not today.
Yeah. He is gonna make it.
Oh yeah, but we're not gonna be here though. We're gonna leave in a little bit.
Daddy,
Yes?
can we please stay here for a little bit?
No, because Mommy and Daddy have a surprise for you at home too. Another surprise.
Well, guess what? Delilah's gonna be mad because Nana's already here. That's what
Y'all having a lot of fun. You're learning how to swim a little bit.
Well,
Y'all learn how to kick y'all's feet. You gotta move your arms.
what? I already know. Daddy wants this. Daddy wants this.
How much fun did you have? If you had a lot of fun, then Daddy will save up money to buy you a pool. That much? All right, what about you? Had a little bit. Show. Oh.
Hi friends, we're going to talk about how much fun we had at Trudy's.
How much fun did y'all have over there swimming?
It was so fun. Even when Nana did the big explosion, it was so funny.
An explosion? What did she do?
Well, she just jumped into the water.
And she made a big explosion?
So if we don't know if we just jumped off the cloud to make it even bigger than Nana's.
Did you do a big splash?
Well, I didn't try it out today.
No? What about brother?
But Nana catched me.
You jumped in there and she caught you?
Nobody didn't take Delilah, so she's gonna be mad. We don't want to tell Delilah.
Okay, well next time Delilah can go.
So we need to just not tell her. Well, I still have it in my brain. I'm gonna tell her. Oh no! Because you guys are in trouble. Well, we're not in trouble. Yes, you are. Okay, brother was not remembered to do that. So I am never gonna talk to that boy if he keeps saying that. It was a lot of fun there, but I think we need to do another one. We'll see you